Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be passing some arguments to some subroutines. But before you can do this, you need to put this on here. Use feature QW signatures. Okay, so... oh dear. What have I done there? Undo it. Okay, that's better. Okay, so we'll go down one. So you need this for this to work, and it'll only work in, I think it's Perl 5.32 and above. In Perl 5.32, this is the version I'm running here, I think. Once you run this program, it'll give you a little experimental warning message, but it still works on 5.3 and 5.32 and above. So make sure you've got that version installed on your machine. So use feature QW signatures is what you need to put on first. And now we're going to create a subroutine called my details. Okay, and we're going to pass it some arguments. Scalar name is equal to Dave, and scalar age is equal to 99, and scalar country, scalar country is equal to India. Okay, right, so those are the arguments there that we're going to be passing, and then we're going to do print, and this is going to be my name is, let's have a look, scalar name, and I'm scalar age from scalar country. Okay, right, let's just call that, so my details. Okay, so let's just call that there. Let's just run it. There we go. It says here, it's just giving me a little warning message here. The signature feature is experimental. So it's experimental in this version, but later versions is not experimental, so you won't get this little message here. So anyway, it's run it, and it says my name is Dave, I'm 99 from India. Now let's see if we can override that. So let's have a look. Let's put some other names in here. Bill, let's say 78, and Japan. That's a funny name for a Japanese man, but never mind. There we go. So let's save that. There we go. We've overridden those values there. So let me just get this back. So we've overridden those values. Okay, we're going to go on to the next one now. Let's have a look at the next subroutine we're going to create. So sub my numbers, and this is going to be scalar a is equal to 10 and scalar b is equal to 20. So this is numbers, right, so print, so look, a is scalar a and b is scalar b, whoops, scalar b lowercase. Okay, so I'm just going to do my numbers. Okay, let's just call that subroutine. There we go. A is 10 and B is 20. Okay. and we're just going to create another subroutine here. So sub, say my details 2. Okay, and we're just gonna do, let's have a look. I'm gonna do scalar language. What else can I do? Scalar language, and let's say scalar country. Okay, so print scalar language. Okay, and scalar country. Okay, we're going to pass it some arguments below. So we're just going to pass some arguments here. So my details 2. It's going to be language English. Then that's going to be USA. Okay, so let's run that. And there we go, English and USA. So, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it's been useful to you. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And very important too, turn on the bell notification so you know when I upload a video. And I will catch you in another one. Bye-de-bye.